F1 versus trophy truck.
F1 drivers hit 200 miles per hour on razor-sharp turns. Monster trucks fly 30 feet through the air. So who's more insane behind the wheel? F1 is all about precision, speed, and split-second control. Monster trucks? It's pure chaos, flips, crashes, and 4-ton vehicles doing front flips in packed arenas. One wrong move in F1 and you're slamming a wall at 180 miles per hour. One wrong move in monster trucks and you're upside down in a rolling metal beast. Both sports are high risk, but one's a ballet of danger, the other's a demolition derby. Which driver takes more guts? Comment F1 or Monster below. Smash that like if you love speed or stunts. And subscribe for more high-octane showdowns.